Hi there, I'm super excited to introduce you to a new feature we have on our book group platform, Community Edits. Here at Book Group, we're all about inspiring readers and supporting parents, as well as celebrating creatives. So we're really excited about this new system, and I'm going to show you how it works and tell you a little bit about it. So to get started, you're going to want to grab a favorite children's book. I have one here with me, Bunny Built. My son, my 3-year-old son, loves this book. He can read it himself. So we think this is an amazing book at our house, and we want to make sure that that other people can find out more about it and discover it too. So I'm going to search for the book. I have it here, and then I'm going to scroll down to the bottom to where it says improve this page and click that button, and it will drop me on this editable version of the page. So these little red badges here show you where this book needs your help. And anytime you make an edit, you earn 1 reputation point. And if your edit is approved by a moderator, you get 4 additional reputation points. So good edits get you 5 edits apiece. And let's go ahead and make an edit. So this primary details is missing a bunch of things, and font details. This is something that you can normally find in the inside front cover of a book in this little tiny text area, if it's there, and this book actually doesn't have it. So I'm going to click and say this does not exist. A creative can come in, the author or illustrator can come in, and if they know what font it's in, they can add that. But in terms of someone just looking at the book, it doesn't exist. But there are illustration details in here, so I'm going to type those in, and I just do it verbatim. The illustrations for this book were digitally painted and collaged in Adobe Photoshop. And then I'll hit Save Edit. And you can see now the box has changed from red to purple. This is not part of a series, so I'm going to mark this does not exist. I don't know the word count, so I'm going to leave that alone. And then I'm going to go make other edits. So another type of edit that's super helpful if you're really familiar with the book is marking a tag as primary. So this book already has that, which is awesome. But to do it, you would just click on a tag and then click this, make this a primary tag, and then you'll hit Save Edit. If you're in here and you see tags that don't belong, you'll just go ahead and click and say delete this tag and then save. Don't mind that. Try not to delete tags. Images, this is something that only creatives can add, but you can add videos if you find a read aloud from a creative or from the publisher. You can stick that in here. But we only want official videos. So not adorable children reading the books, unfortunately. So other things you can add here, you can add discussion prompts like you see here. These are things that parents can talk to their kids about after you read the book, or quotes directly from the book. So, and if you have questions about formatting, you can always just click on these little eyes. It says add 2 empty lines between the multiple quotes and use quotation marks. So I would find the quote I want to do in the book and then just click. When he got home, LaRue went straight to work. He dug, he dumped, he dozed, he doused. And hit Save Edit again. So you can go through and do all this. You can look up like Lexile, information accelerated reader, and put that here. You can create book pages, book quizzes. And some of these things require you to earn a certain number of reputation points to be able to do them. But I'm going to show you how you can check your reputation score over here. So I've already made some edits. So the coolest page to check out is your app page. So here you see I've created a new account. Speaking of which, when you try to make your first edit, you'll need to register for an account. It's super easy. Just choose an email password, and then you'll just go verify your email when we send you a confirmation email, which comes really fast. So here's my page. You can see my rank in the community. I've already earned 54 reputation points. I've worked on this account a little bit before. And here you can see the books that I've improved. So you can kind of collect books that you care about. And here I can watch my edits, and here's my little points graph. And then here I can go to my personal dashboard, And this also lets me track all my edits and their status. You can see I've already had some edits approved, and these ones I just made are pending. And now you can also go to the community dashboard. This is helpful if you want to see where you want to contribute. So leaderboard, if you're motivated by being number one. Here you can see what everybody else is improving, and here are some books that need improvement. So if you are familiar with one of these books, you can just click on it and then go ahead and work on that. So the other thing I want to show you is if you go to a book that has been edited, so this one I can just click on it. If you go down to the bottom, let's see, all the way down, you can see over here where you clicked in to improve this page, you can see who's the top contributor to this page, which is pretty awesome. So we're really excited about giving people the opportunity to contribute here. Book Crew, we're all about inspiring readers, supporting parents. So all this amazing content you're helping to create and rich data you're inputting helps us make recommendations to kids when they're looking for books. We've already taken the first step of that, and this is helping refine it so that we're helping kids find the right book at the right time to really help them love reading. So we really appreciate you participating in this effort to help inspire readers and look forward to working with you.